morning students. Today we are discussing one more important topic, that is practical geometry. So we already discussed in the first semester what is the meaning of geometry and that is line, angles, ray. We already discussed it. Okay. Today we are discussing that is practical geometry. In this practical geometry, some instruments are used. That is ruler, compasses, divider, set squares and protectors. So these are the instruments from the geometry. So what are those? First of all here. First one, that is ruler. So ruler means scale. So scale or ruler. So this is scale. Ruler or scale. And compasses. So what is the meaning of compasses? So this one. So this is the compass. One side pencil is there, other side pointer. Andre compasses. Idu compasses anta karithivi. So one side pencil use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, another side pointer irutte. So this is the compass. Okay. And next one, that is divider. So what is the meaning of divider? See, this one is divider. Both side are pointer. So ಎರಡು side pointer ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? Divider. And next one, set squares. So this is a compass box. Like triangles ರೀತಿ ಎರಡು ಮೂರು ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. That is called set squares. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು set squares ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. And next, protector. So as we know about the protector, this is called protector. Okay. So ruler means scale, compass means this side, pencil and pointer, and divider means both sides are pointer. Okay. And set squares means it is like a triangle. And next one, protector means is a protector. So these are the instruments of geometry boxes. Okay. So in this chapter, so ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ರೂಲರ್, ಕಂಪಾಸ್, ಡಿವೈಡರ್, ಸೆಟ್, ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಇದಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಡಿಸುವಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಬಿಫೋರ್ that see, there is a circle. So in this circle, as you know, it is called center point. So this one is called center point. Okay. And this one, center point to circumference. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ? ರೇಡಿಯಸ್. ಇದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಓಕೆ. And next, this line, whole this line we call it as a diameter. Okay, this is called diameter. And another one, this line we called it as a chord. And this dark line, this is called arc. Okay, so this is about circle. So first of all, see, this is called as center point. And circle alli point irutte, center point, adike ನಾವು center point ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. And in between the center point and the circumference half line ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ? Radius. It may be like this also. If it is circle, it is also radius. This one also radius. This is also radius. This is also radius. But it is center point in the circumference ಗೆ touch ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. Okay. Next one, that is diameter. So diameter ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ಫುಲ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಾಫ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, or it may be like this also, or it may be like this also. ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಟಚ್ ಆಗಿ ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಗೆ ಟಚ್ ಆಗುವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ? that is called diameter. Okay. Next one is that is chord. Chord means ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು, ಬಟ್ ಎರಡು ಲೈನಿಗೂ ಟಚ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ chord ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ chord ಸರ್ಕಲ್ that is called chord, or it may be this is also called diameter also chord. ಇದಕ್ಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಗೆ ಎರಡು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು chord ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. So diameter also chord, but what is the difference? Diameter is the longest chord. ಉದ್ದವಾದ chord ಅದಕ್ಕೆ diameter ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Okay, next this arc in between chord and the circle, this is called arc. ಈ ಲೈನ್ ನಾವು arc ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Okay, is it clear? This is called chord and this one is arc and this is diameter and this one is radius and the center is center point. Okay, so let us take some examples. Examples in the ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ solve ಮಾಡೋಣ. First of all, that is ruler and compasses constructions. Okay, rulers, compasses and constructions. So ruler and compasses use ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ construction ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. First of all, take a first example. It is a simple example. Draw a circle. Draw a circle of radius. How much? 3.2 centimeters. So this is your question. Draw a circle of radius 3.2 centimeters. First of all, you know that what is the meaning of radius. Radius ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ? Center point ಇಂದ circumference ಗೆ ಟಚ್ ಆಗೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ? Radius. Okay. Now, using compass and ruler. Compass and ruler use ಮಾಡಿ. So as you know, this is a ruler and this one is compass. So this is a pointer. So in this we have to use first of all, draw a circle of radius 3.2 centimeter. 3.2 centimeter radius ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So using compass and use, you have to use 3.2 centimeters. Okay, this is a 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. You have to take a 3.2 centimeters. ನಾನು ಇದು ದೊಡ್ಡದನ್ನೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಣ್ಣದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ. Okay, so it is a 3.2 centimeters. You have to take a center point and draw a 3.2 circle. 3.2 like this. You have to draw it. So this is the point and this one is 3.2 centimeter. Name it as the center point O and you can take any name for this one. Okay, this is the answer. So this is a simple question. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು compass and protractor use ಮಾಡಿ diagrams ಅನ್ನು use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. First of all, you have to observe the diagram. Question: draw a circle of radius 3.2 centimeters. So 3.2 centimeters ಇರುವಂತ diagram ತೆಗೆದಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 3.2 centimeters ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಇಂದ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಕಂಪಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3.2 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು 3.2 ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಅದೇನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? radius is 3.2 centimeter and compulsory you have to name center point as a O. Okay, and next you have to take any point A, B, C, D alphabets. You have to take any point. Next question. So take your next question. Next question. and radii means two or more. Okay, draw two radius ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಒಂದೇ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಎರಡು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. First of all, you have to take any center point. So this is your center point O, and first you have to draw which one smallest or larger. Of course, you have to take a smaller. Smaller ಅನ್ನು ಬಂದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ 2.5 centimeter. So you have to take a using compass and ruler 2.5 centimeters. Okay, using 2.5 centimeters, you have to draw here first. 2.5 centimeters. Okay, this is your first one. 2.5 centimeter. How much? 2.5 centimeter. And come to next. Same center point use ಮಾಡಿ ಎರಡು ತೆಗಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So one ಅಂತೂ already ಆಯ್ತು. Next one 4. Again you have to take using scale and use 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters and draw again same center point and 4 radius. Here. Radius. So how much this one? This is 4 centimeter. I named it as A, or this one is B. Okay, is it clear? So first of all you have to clarify your question. With the same center point same ಇರಬೇಕು. Draw two circles. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಎರಡು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ 4 centimeter and 2.5 centimeter. So 2.5 centimeter or 4 centimeter. ಯಾವುದೇ ಮೊದಲು ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಇಂದ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಲಾರ್ಜರ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 2.5 centimeter ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಂಪಾಸ್ ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಗೇನ್ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ 4 centimeter ತಗೊಂಡು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. And next one. Okay, coming to the next question. That is, draw any circle and mark point A, B, C. A is on the circle and B is in the circle and the C is in the exterior. Before that, first of all, we know that what is the meaning of interior and exterior. Okay, interior and exterior. Interior means inside. Inside. And exterior means outside. Interior means inside and exterior means outside. So first of all, draw any diagram. You have to draw any diagram. So ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು diagram ಅನ್ನು draw ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, first of all, draw ಮಾಡಿ any angle. As you know, it is the center point O. Next, A is on the circle. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ A ಇರಬೇಕು. ಮಾರ್ಕ್ A. And B is in the interior. Interior means inside. Inside ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಜಾಗ ಇದೆ. ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಸೈಡ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ B ಅನ್ನು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Interior. Okay. And C is on outside. Means exterior. C outside ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಜಾಗ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ನಾವು C ಅನ್ನ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So it is a simple one. Draw any circle. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ and name it as a A, B, C. Okay. And what is your question? A is on the circle. On the circle ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇದೆ. So ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್ಕಂಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. And B is in the interior. As you know, interior means inside. So inside is this much area is there. You have to point any side, that is P. And C is center of two circles of equal radii. Draw them so that each one of them passes through the center of circle. Let them intersect at C and D. Examine whether AB line and CD line segments are at right angles. So these are circles now. So first of all, let AB be the center of two circles. ಯಾವುದೇ two circles ತೆಗೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಎಂತಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ, two circles of equal radius ಇರುವಂತ two circles. But draw them so each of one of the passes through the center of the circle. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, draw any two circles and this is center point and ಎರಡು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. So this one is center point. Next, each one of them passes through the center of the circle. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು center of the circle pass ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. Okay. So as you know, it is also here. Little bit changes ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. A and B. So take any two circles draw ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So two circles ಅನ್ನ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಈ ರೀತಿ. Okay. Now you have to examine. What is your examine? Angle. Let them intersect at C and D. Intersect ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಬಂದಂತ ನಡುವಲ್ಲಿ intersect ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ intersect ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ C ಅಂತ D ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay. Next, examine whether AB and CD are right angles. ಅಂದ್ರೆ right angles ಆಗಿದ್ದಾವೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So here this is a 90 degree. And this one also 90, this is also 90, and this is also 90. All angles are 90 degree. Is it clear? So let us check once again. So take any two circles. ಯಾವುದೇ two circles draw ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಎರಡು draw ಮಾಡಿದಂತ circles join ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ. And center point ಅನ್ನ join ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಡಿ? A and B. Next, intersect. ಎರಡು ನಡುವೆ intersect ಮಾಡಿ. You have to give them name C and D. Now we have to check these angles. Is it 90 degree? Sorry, right angle. As you know, right angle means 90 degree. So this is the solution of this problem. So question lengthy ಆಗಿದೆ, but solution easy. Next. Take next question. So this is a simple question. First of all, draw a line. Draw a line segment. Draw a line segment of length 7.3 centimeter using a ruler. So ruler compass scale ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ 7.3 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್. ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡ್ರಾ 7.3 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್. ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 7.3 ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಇಷ್ಟು. So using scale you have to, don't take full scale, only you have to take how much? 7.3 centimeter and name it as a PQ. Over. So line segment ಅನ್ನು draw ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Using scale 7.3 centimeters. 7.3 centimeter using ruler. Okay. And next one. See, next question. That is, construct a line segment of length 5.6 centimeter using ruler and compass. Using ruler and compass. Compass and ruler ಎರಡು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay. So take how much? 5.6 centimeter. Using scale and also compass. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? First of all you have to take any centimeters. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ. So name it as a x y. Okay, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು 5.6 centimeter. So using compass you have to take a 5.6 centimeter. 5.6 centimeter compass ಇಂದ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ತಗೊಂಡು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, so name it as a Z. This is how much? 5.6 centimeter. First of all construct a line segment. Line segment ಅನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು line ಅನ್ನು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿ and length 5.6 using compass and scale you have to take a 5.6 centimeter and cut the like any point. So first inna cut ಮಾಡಿ. So this is how much? 5.6 centimeters. Okay, is it clear? And next one. Next question, that is construct you have to construct AB line bar of length that is 7.6 centimeter from this and cut off AC line segment length that is 4.7 centimeter. And also your question is you have to measure BC. Okay, BC. So construct AB of length 7.8 centimeter from this cut off AC of length 4.7 centimeter. Measure BC. Okay, first of all roughly ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. First AB ಅನ್ನು draw ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. How much? 7.8 centimeter. Okay, this is A and B. This is a rough diagram. 7.8 centimeter. Okay, and next AC. A ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ, C ನಾವೇ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಎಷ್ಟು? 4.7 centimeters. Okay, using ruler ಇಂದ 4.7 ಅನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು and name it as a C. That is 4.7 centimeter. Okay, you have to find out that is CB or BC. ಇದನ್ನ find out ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, first of all AB that is length 7.8 centimeter and AC is there 4.7 centimeter. You have to calculate CB ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಟೋಟಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ is 7 and here AB is equal to 7.8 and AC is equal to 4.7. We have to subtract it. How much? 1 and 3. This is BC. Okay, first of all draw how much? 7.8 centimeter. Name it as a AB. This is 7.8 centimeter. And using compass, you are using compass. How much? 4.7 anna. 4.7. You have to take 4.7 using ruler and a compass. Now take point and cut it. A point ಇಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಈ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, using A point. How much? 4 point. This is 4.7 centimeter and name it as a C. ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಿ using scale ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ of course this one is 3.1 centimeter ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, here AB is 7.8 centimeter. Again AC is given 4.7 centimeter. You have to calculate BC means total ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4.7 minus ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 3.1 is the answer. Okay, is it clear? Okay, thank you.